In this Python NiceGUI tutorial, we will make an example using the bind text from function. There are label, select and button objects in the application. The first or second number can be selected with the select object. Afterwards, the numbers can be increased or decreased with the buttons. In the video, I will show you step by step how to do the application. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. First, I will create a dictionary. There will be two members in the dictionary object. I will create a label object. I want the label object and dictionary members to be synchronized. To do this, I can use the bind text from function. I send the dictionary variable and member name to the function. I can show the value of the member in the dictionary in the label object using the backward property. I save the code file and run it. You can go to this address using any browser. I showed the first member of the dictionary variable on the web page. The variable and the label object work synchronously with each other. If I change the variable, the value in the label object will also change thanks to the bind text from function. I created a label object for the first member. Now I will create a label object for the second member. I can copy and paste. I am making the necessary arrangements. I am saving the code file. The text in the backward property needs to be changed. I'm making the edit. I save the code file and run it again. The values in the dictionary object are displayed on the screen. Notice that the values are synchronized with the label object. You can make several examples. Values are updated automatically. Now I will create a select object. I am creating a variable. I am sending two values to the select function. I am saving the code file. I added the select function to the web page. Now I will create an increment button. I send text, color, and icon values to the button function. I am saving the code file. I added a button to increase the number. Now I will add a button to decrease the number. I can copy and paste. I am making the necessary arrangements. I am saving the code file. I added both buttons to the web page, one below the other. I can use the row function to add buttons side by side. I am saving the code file. I changed the position of the buttons. I will define task functions for the buttons. I can do this using the onClick feature. First, I define the up function. Then I define the down function. I will increment in the up function. If the value of the select object is first number, I update the data variable. I will do a similar operation in the down function. I can copy and paste. I am making the necessary arrangements. I am saving the code file. The increase and decrease buttons work for the first number. I should make the same definitions in the second number. I can copy and paste. I am making the necessary arrangements. I am saving the code file. There are label, select and button objects in the application. The first or second number can be selected with the select object. Afterwards, the numbers can be increased or decreased with the buttons. In this video, we learned how to use the bind text from function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.